The project cycle.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the course Planning for Monitoring and Evaluation. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today, we will look at the project cycle. Take a look at the graphic above. It shows the stages that every well-designed project should go through. Take note that it is a cycle and not a straight line. That is because as you go through a project, you will learn a lot. What you learn will help you with the development of the next project. That is why we call this the project cycle. M&E should be used at every stage of the project cycle. Organizations with great M&E systems start collecting data even before they decide what kind of a project they are creating. This phase is called formative research, and it involves researching the problem that you would like to address. In the picture above, it is labeled as step 1. And then this course will talk a bit about step 2, develop the log frame and indicators. That is the step in the project cycle where you answer big questions like what problem are we solving and what activities and services will we provide. We will spend most of our time on step 3, generate an M&E plan. This is the part of the project where you decide which information you will collect, how you will collect it, and what you will do with it. In fact, by the time you finish this course, you will have created most of the parts of your M&E plan. It is a good idea to focus on step 3 because if you create a greater M&E plan, you will have much easier time throughout the rest of the project cycle. So some of the steps that we take when developing an M&E plan. Firstly, we need to know our project. Your M&E plan is a set of tools that will help you measure progress towards your goals. That is why your first step is to understand exactly what those goals are. And then we need to choose indicators. Indicators are the things that you measure. Sometimes your donors might tell you what to measure, and sometimes it is up to you, but typically it can be a bit of both. Then also need to decide how we are going to measure those indicators. There are many ways to collect data, and you have to choose your methods carefully. And then you also have to create tools. Tools can be surveys on a computer or papers in a notebook. Either way, you will need to create your tools thoughtfully. And then you also have to clearly define the responsibilities. Collecting, managing, and analyzing and using data will probably involve a lot of people. You need to decide who will do which tasks and who will do the other tasks. So in this case, you will need to create a roles and responsibilities chart in a data flow map. And then lastly, you need to decide how data will be analyzed and used. Our final goal is to use our data to improve our project and decide how successful it was. Unfortunately, in this course, we will not discuss this topic fully. However, we will just help you to begin to think about data analysis and how to use it. Thank you. See you in the next topic.